Unlock the secrets to safeguarding your REST APIs in machine learning. Learn effective strategies to fend off unauthorized access and secure your data pipelines.
Have you ever wondered how secure your REST APIs are? In today's world, where data breaches and unauthorized access are rampant, securing your APIs is more important than ever. APIs are the backbone of data exchange in machine learning, and ensuring their security is crucial to protect sensitive information. In this video, we will explore the top 5 security practices to safeguard your REST APIs against common threats. From authentication to encryption, we'll cover it all. Stay tuned to learn how to fortify your APIs and keep your data safe.
APIs, while incredibly powerful, are susceptible to various security vulnerabilities. Understanding these vulnerabilities is the first step in preventing them. One of the most common issues is injection attacks, where malicious code is inserted into an API request. Another threat is cross-site scripting, XSS, which can lead to unauthorized access to user data. Additionally, weak security configurations can expose sensitive data, while unrestricted access can open the door to unauthorized users. By identifying these common security issues, you can better prepare to defend against them and ensure your APIs remain secure.
Authentication is a critical component of API security, and OAuth 2 is a robust solution for managing access control. OAuth 2 allows users to authorize third-party applications to access their data without sharing their credentials. This token-based authentication system is not only secure but also scalable and widely used across the industry. By implementing OAuth 2, you can ensure that only authorized users have access to your APIs, reducing the risk of data breaches and unauthorized access. We'll walk you through the process of setting up OAuth 2 and explain its benefits in detail. When it comes to transmitting data securely, HTTPS is your best friend. This protocol encrypts the data exchanged between the client and server, making it unreadable to anyone who might intercept it. HTTPS is crucial for preventing man-in-the-middle attacks, where attackers intercept and potentially alter the data being transmitted. By using HTTPS, you ensure that the communication between your API and its users is secure, protecting sensitive information from prying eyes. In this segment, we will discuss how to implement HTTPS in your APIs and why it's a non-negotiable aspect of API security.
Rate limiting is an essential technique for controlling the flow of API requests and preventing abuse. By setting a limit on the number of requests a user can make within a certain time frame, you protect your API from being overwhelmed by excessive traffic or denial of service attacks. Throttling, on the other hand, helps manage resource usage by slowing down the processing of requests when limits are reached. Together, these practices enhance your API's performance and stability, ensuring that it remains available and responsive to legitimate users. Let's explore how to implement these practices effectively. Input validation is a fundamental security practice that helps prevent injection attacks, such as SQL and NoSQL injections. These attacks occur when malicious code is inserted into API requests, potentially compromising your database and application. By validating and sanitizing inputs before processing them, you can prevent these attacks from succeeding. Implementing strict input validation rules ensures that only correctly formatted data is accepted by your API, significantly enhancing its security. In this section, we'll discuss best practices for input validation and how to protect your APIs from injection vulnerabilities.
Cross-origin resource sharing, CORS, is a security feature that controls how resources are shared between different domains. Configuring your CORS policy correctly is crucial to prevent unauthorized access and data sharing. By specifying which domains are allowed to access your API, you ensure that only trusted sources can interact with your resources. This restriction enhances your overall security posture and prevents potential data leaks. In this segment, we'll guide you through setting up a robust CORS policy and explain its importance in maintaining secure API operations.
Monitoring and logging API activity are essential practices for maintaining security and reliability. By tracking how your API is used and logging requests, you can identify unusual activity patterns that might indicate a security threat. These logs are invaluable for auditing purposes and can help you analyze and improve your API's performance. Early detection of potential issues allows you to take corrective actions before they escalate, ensuring that your API remains secure and reliable. Let's explore the tools and techniques for effective API monitoring and logging.
Keeping your software dependencies up to date is a critical aspect of API security. Vulnerabilities in outdated libraries and frameworks can be exploited by attackers to gain unauthorized access or cause disruptions. By regularly updating and patching your dependencies, you reduce the risk of exploitations and ensure that your system remains secure. Staying informed about security updates and patches is essential for maintaining a robust security posture. In this section, We'll discuss best practices for managing dependencies and highlight the importance of timely updates. As we wrap up, let's recap the top security practices for protecting your REST APIs in machine learning. We've covered authentication, encryption, rate limiting, input validation, trace configuration, monitoring, and more. Remember, securing your APIs is an ongoing process that requires vigilance and continuous improvement. We encourage you to share your experiences and insights in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on API security and machine learning. Thank you for watching.